our topic for today is all about the special products. So special product is divided into 4 parts. Okay, the first part is, kindly read.
Square of binomial.
The second one.
Sum and difference of two-thirds.
The third one.
Cube of binomial.
And the last one is?
Square of trinomial.
Okay, so let us review first about multiplying polynomials. Okay, so match column A and column B. Column A is the given expression, while column B, so these are the answers for column A. What do you think will be the answer for number 1? Yes, Benaflor? Very good. Letter A. Paano nakuha si letter A? So, to multiply monomial to binomial, just apply distributive property. Di-distribute natin, anak, si 3x ng ilang beses po? 2 beses. 3x times 2x. 6x squared. Then, 3x times 5. 15x. Then, the sign is negative. Do you understand? Now, what is the answer for number 2? Yes, this Maya? Letter C. Let's check if her answer is correct. So, how to find the product of the given binomials? So, we need to multiply x plus 8 how many times? 2 times. Kanino? Sa sarili. So, x plus 8 squared. So, this is the expanded form. So, multiply x plus 8 twice. Okay, so, in finding the product of the 2 binomials, so, meron tayong dalawang method. So, either the FOIL method or the vertical method. This time, gamitin natin, anak, si FOIL method. First term tayo, x times x. X squared. Outer term, x times 8. 8x. Inner, 8 times x. 8x. And last term, 8 times 8, 64. Our next step is to combine the like terms. So, what are the like terms? 8x and 8x. So, 8 plus 8. 16. Then, copy the literal coefficient. Then, bring down the remaining terms. So, therefore, this is the answer for number 2. And how about for number 3? Wala nang iba, kundi? Okay, letter B. Paano naman daw kinukuha yung product niya? Same pa rin. Pwedeng FOIL method or pwedeng vertical. This time, mag-vertical tayo. So, to get the product, we need to apply vertical method. 2 times negative 3. Negative 6. 2 times x. 2x. X times negative 3. Negative 3x. X times x. X squared. Then after that, get the sum. Bring down kapag walang similar terms. What is the sign of 2? Positive. Sign of 3?
Negative.
Same and like?
Unlike.
Add or subtract? 3 minus 2? Or just simply imaginary 1. Bakit? Kasi meron po tayo natin ang variable. And what is the sign of 1?
Negative.
Therefore, this is the answer for number 3. So, this is only a review, ha? Okay, to find the product of the given binomial. So, this time, let us proceed na by special products. What if there's a faster way for certain types of binomial? So, meron daw mas mabilis na paraan para makuha yung product ng dalawang binomial. And that is the special products. Sa special products, ito yung shortcut natin. Shortcut to find the product of the given binomials. So, ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito, anak, ay binomials, ha? When we say binomials, a polynomial with?
2 terms.
Okay, 2 terms. Consists of 2 terms.